Excellent books.
Very few copies have been sold.
Then your publisher is a fool for not championing these with his life's blood. You're writing in short, brief sentences, but...
It is my ambition to say in 10 sentences what others say in a whole book.
As to your migraines, I believe their fundamental cause lies in stress, due to upsetting events in your work, your family, your personal relationships.
I've given up teaching. I have no home to look after, no wife to quarrel with, no children to discipline. I have no obligations to anyone. I have no stress.
Your extreme isolation is stress in itself.
Great thinkers choose their own company, no? Undisturbed by the mob. Consider Thoreau, Spinoza, Buddha.
Professor, stress is our enemy. My task is to help you reduce stress in your life. I propose that you enter my Lausanne clinic for 1 month of observation and treatment. We have new medications for migraine. I will visit you daily.
I'm unable to pay for such services.
Money doesn't matter to me. It will be free.
And why are you doing this?
You came to me for help. I offer it. I'm a doctor.
Far too simple. Human motivation is far more complex. What is your motive?
Why are you here?
Because of strong pressure from my friends and my headaches. I ask again, what is your motive if you don't request payment for such services?
One practices one's profession. A cobbler cobbles, a baker bakes, a doctor doctors. Why do you write? Why philosophize? You earn nothing from your work.
I do not claim I philosophize for you. Whereas you, Doctor, continue to pretend that your motive is to serve me. And such claims have nothing to do with human motivation. Now, what are your motives?
My motives?
Yes.
My motives? Who can answer such a question? I believe you are destined to become a great philosopher. My mission is to aid you in becoming who you are.
So you as my savior can become even greater?
I did not say that. Do you know my patients are the leading scientists, artists, and musicians in Vienna?
Yes, and at this moment, you use their eminence to enhance your authority with me.
I will never exploit your name.
I will still be used by you.
Nonsense!
Pity, your charity, your techniques to help me, to manage me. All of these make you stronger at my expense.
This is a perfect example of why you cannot dissect your own psyche. Your vision is blurred, Professor. You need help. You are about to make a mistake. Then go already. You crazed, deluded creature.